In this lesson I'll just show you how you can set up your Thundermail client on the Mac to use IMAP connection. And basically with IMAP you're able to download your emails to Thunderbird and also keep it fully in sync with webmail. Okay, so I've opened Thunderbird. We'll just go to Tools, Account Settings. I've already got an account in here. Some of you may have a POP3 account already. We just go to Account Settings, Actions, Add Mail Account, and just enter the details like so. And Thunderbird will actually try and automatically find out the email server settings. On this screen just click Stop and go for a manual setup. Here you can see the new account I've just added. Okay, we go to server settings, enter the mail address, which is mail.spcs.eu, or your domain name. We're going to be using the default port, so we can just blank this out at the moment, and then enter our email address. And here on the connection security we just select none, and this will set the default port to 143. Okay. The next screen to check is just copies and folders. We need to make sure any sent items we send on Thunderbird will automatically be stored in the IMAP webmail folder. And Thunderbird does a great job of presetting this all for you. And as you can see, the draft folders is already set up, archives and templates. The next thing we need to do is configure the outgoing SMTP server. So we click here. And again, Thunderbird has already set this up, so we just click on it and then edit. Again, mail.spcs.eu, or your web domain name. We'll use port 25 for outgoing email. Some ISPs actually block port 25, so you may need to enter port 587. You tick username and password, just enter this, and on here we just select none. It will default to port 25 as well, and click OK. Okay, I'm just double checking. Yep, that looks good. So if we OK this screen, okay, you can see it's just made the display name in here look a bit funny, so we'll just go back into account settings. Just take off this M bit here. Makes it look a bit neater. And then if we click Get Mail. Okay, if we just go back into the account settings, I'm going to go here and just manually type in port 143. And then OK this. And then try Get Mail again. Okay, that's better. We'll just enter the password now. And we'll set the Mac to remember this with the password manager. Okay. If we expand this here now, we can see any sent items I may have, deleted items, which is currently empty. But if we go into here, we can actually see some various emails I've got in the webmail already. So the next step is just to go into webmail. Okay, if we go to the inbox, and you can see it's pretty much synced at the moment. So the next step is just basically to get your emails from your like POP3 connection or any existing emails into the webmail. And there's two ways you can do this. You can go into local folders and click on the folder, and then just drag your email into the relevant webmail folder, like so. There we go, and this new email's appeared here. You may have folders that way you've been arranging your emails, so you could actually drag your whole folder into the IMAP section here. Okay. Depending on the folder size, it may take a few minutes to update. Just force a refresh on the webmail. And here you can see you got your ModX, the folder I've just dragged upwards, like so. Okay, and again it's all here as well, which is good. You can also, from your Mac, right click the IMAP folder here and just create a new folder. Like so. And again, if you go to webmail, you'd need to force a browser refresh. And we've got the testing folder here as well. The next thing I'm just going to show you, we'll go into here and delete an email. Okay, and it will actually appear in your shared deleted box here, and it should also be in your deleted items here as well. Sorry, I meant the trash items. Let's double check. Okay, because the date of the email is quite old, it's like buried within here. And that's pretty much it so far. That's how you set up the IMAP connection in Thunderbird.